If you owe a huge amount in back taxes to the IRS, don't panic. We're here to walk you through your options in just 3 minutes. First things first, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and there are solutions. Let's dive in. Option number 1, the installment agreement. Think of it as a payment plan with Uncle Sam. You can spread out your payments over time, making them more manageable. For debts up to $50,000, you can even apply online. It's like setting up a monthly subscription, but for your taxes. Next up, we have the offer in compromise. This is like negotiating a deal with the IRS. If paying your full tax debt would cause serious financial hardship, you might be able to settle for less. There's even a pre-qualifier tool on the IRS website to see if you're eligible. It's not guaranteed, but it's worth a shot if you're really struggling. Option 3, temporary delay in collection. If you're going through a tough financial time, the IRS might hit the pause button on collecting your debt. You'll need to prove your hardship, but it can give you some breathing room to get back on your feet. Now, if all this tax talk is making your head spin, don't worry. You can always seek professional help. A CPA or tax attorney can be your champion dealing with the IRS on your behalf. They might even find options you didn't know existed. Last but not least, there's the Taxpayer Advocate Service. This is a free service provided by the IRS itself to help you navigate tricky tax situations. They're like your personal guide through the maze of tax resolution. Remember, the worst thing you can do is nothing. Ignoring the IRS won't make them go away. It'll just make things worse. So take action, explore your options, and start working towards a solution. To wrap up, let's recap your 5 lifelines. Installment agreement, offer in compromise, temporary delay, professional help, and the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Each has its pros and cons, so consider your specific situation when choosing. You've got this. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to tackling that tax debt. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay calm, take action, and don't let the IRS intimidate you. You've got options, and now you know what they are. Good luck. And for those still watching, here's a special secret. There is one sure way to resolve your back tax issues. The Secret American Tax Service. We've helped our clients legally avoid nearly $1 billion since 2017. Click the link in the description to have a free consultation call. Take the first step towards financial peace of mind.